Public Health once again warning about an uptick in COVID cases in Fresno County. Officials say they're seeing more than twice as many cases this week than last week. But as Natalie Vera reports, county leaders are also working on a special task force to ensure everyone has access to care.
Both the number of hospitalized and the test positivity is creeping up.
Fresno County Public Health says there are 52 patients hospitalized with COVID right now, and the test positivity rate is hovering around 5%. In total, 602 new cases were reported on Friday, and while the numbers are low compared to spikes earlier in the pandemic, the positive tests this week are more than double from last week. And these charts don't include stats from home tests. Dr. Vora says the county's also monitoring the sewer systems for COVID traces.
The numbers in the wastewater have really gone way up in the last week. There is a lot of COVID burden in our community.
He says he's warned health providers about this.
I said brace yourself, because in the next 7 to 10 days, we will likely start to see an uptick in the number of hospitalized patients.
Dr. Vora says the county has now converted OptumServe test sites into what's known as a test to treat model.
Whenever somebody comes with a test that comes back positive, they're automatically referred to try to get a treatment.
Officials remind people to stay at home if they have any symptoms and to get vaccinated if they haven't already.
60% fully vaccinated. I think I've said this number for like a month already. It's just not a lot of movement in Fresno County.
Joe Prado says the county is also working on a new task force to help underserved communities have better access to health care. The network would go beyond assisting COVID patients.
What does it take to find a doctor in this community and navigate through that medical system, whether it's the eligibility side, application side, having a really culturally sensitive approach towards doing that in our vulnerable populations.
Reporting in Fresno, Natalie Vera, KC24 Local News That Matters.